A special CBI court summoned country's leading aluminium producer Hindalco and its two executives in connection with coal scandal being probed by CBI. Trio were summoned to appear before the court on 6 May. Prosecution had made out prima facie case for summoning accused for facing trial for aforesaid offences, court said in order. Order was passed after counsel for CBI urged court to take cognizance of charges against Hindalco and two of its executives. Federal agency alleged that accused had committed offences of cheating, criminal conspiracy, and criminal breach of trust. Alleged offence dates back to 2013-14. CBI had registered case on 22 November 2015. After years of investigation, agency filed its final report in case last year and alleged that company resorted to illegal mining contrary to approved mining plan during 2004 to 2005 and 2011. It was alleged by agency that company extracted 4.8 million tons of coal contrary to approved mining plan. CBI is proposing prosecution of accused for commission of offences punishable under section 120B read with 420 and 409 of IPC and substantive offences thereof. The Ahmad informed the court that scrutiny of documents filed within charge sheet is complete and they are found to be in order. Before lunch, court had put few queries to prosecution. Matter was passed over and taken up after lunch. The allegations against company were highlighted, which were that mainly coal was used for existing plant and not for increasing capacity of said existing plant or for 50 megawatt CPP at Raigad for which it was allocated. It was submitted that cognizance of offences under section 120B read with 409 of IPC and substantive offences thereof be taken and accused be summoned. Finding prima facie force in contentions raised by Central Bureau of Investigation, court ordered cognizance of offence under section 120B read with 409 IPC and substantive offences. Prosecution made out prima facie case for summoning accused for facing trial for aforesaid offences. Summons issued to accused were returnable on 6th May and service be effected through IO of the case.